Okay, so I'm back. I got these untied, rethreaded through. I moved them up to the topmost setting. So now this is ready to go back down, get tucked in there. And the other thing that they said that I should do is cinch up the, Shaw said I should do is cinch up the, whatchamacallits, the shoulder straps. So I have pulled it until the end of the multicam strap, and then I got down here. There's a little extra here, so I folded that over. I pulled this all the way to the end there, and then I'm just going to fold this over. Now to put the shoulder pad in, put this in here. Actually, no, this goes first. And you want to make sure this mesh is towards your neck. That's the soft part. So then you fold this over, fold this over, fold this one over, fold this one over, make sure all that's folded in, fold this back, fold this in, fold that over. All right, got it all put back together. So the way that looks from start to finish would be you take the shoulder pad off, undo this, bring it all the way to the end of the fabric. This one's all the way to the end of the fabric as well. Put this guy back in here. Mesh towards the neck. Fold this one in. Fold this back. All right. So, and they said that my my cummerbund and my wing should be on the same plane. So the bottom of my cummerbund at the bottom of the up armor. So let's, I'll put this on and we'll see how we did.